In the previous tutorial, we mastered how to choose different themes for our blog. I believe that is really very simple and very easy. In the previous tutorial as well, we chose the Contempo theme, and this is the theme that we chose in the previous tutorial. Now, there is no need wasting much of our time. Let's go ahead and use the theme we are going to need for this course, and this is the Zoho theme. Let me preview it, and this is the theme we'll be using for this course. I will apply it to the blog. We kick off immediately. Theme applied, and when you go up, you can see that this is the theme that is live on the blog. When you go ahead and view your blog again, this is the theme that you will get. When I click here, this is what I have, and if I go down, there is nothing here. I will close this immediately. Let's go ahead and click on layouts so that we can start immediately without wasting much time again. So we are currently on layouts. Always look here. You can see that this is in yellow or orange color, showing that this is what you selected. Now we need a favicon, and most of us might ask, what is favicon? Favicon is your identity on the web. It's your logo, usually 16 by 16 in size. You should learn how to start to make use of Photoshop or any other image editing software for your website. This is Photoshop. Anything I want to do here, I will come here and do that. So, you will always learn how to make use of Photoshop, because in this course, when you're designing a website, there are lots of images to use. Without wasting much of our time, I have designed my own logo. Go ahead and hit on Edit Favicon, Upload Custom Favicon. Click on Choose File, and down here, I will go ahead and choose GSTIF logo2.gf. And this is uploaded now. I'll go ahead and hit on Save. I have saved it. It's refreshed. When you look, you can see that I have chosen the favicon, and the image here is no longer the blogger image, but my own image. You can always come here and preview, or you view your blog. If you view a blog, this is what it looks like. But when you come here and preview, this is what it looks like. Preview will always be shown here. I believe that is very easy. So, when we are set, we will kick off, and everything here will be functional with our own images and our own notes as well. So you've learned how to kick off with the layouts. In the next lecture, we'll go ahead and start with heading and work on our heading step by step. Thank you, and see you in the next video.